Or
we don't have engine oil pressure.
Right. Okay. That naughty one right over there. Yeah. So the oil light has now started to come on. It kind of, after adding oil, it is much less. And when the engine's revving, it's off. So. First it was only at slow speeds. Then it was at slightly faster speeds, and now it's all the time. We put some more oil. It's got a little overfull, and also some kind of anti-friction oil additive. No, it's not like it's only one. Yeah, I'm not sure where this is made, but the Japanese writing is encouraging. Anyway, it's certainly better than what I have now, I think. So the naughty offender is right in there, this one. So I'm not sure how I'm going to get a wrench around that. Looks like a power steering line. Gonna have to take the watch off for this one. All right, so I can get the wrench on the pressure sensor, oil pressure sensor, which is right here. Now I just have to be able to turn it, obviously. And this one. There it is. Go ahead and disconnect our... I'm gonna have to put in a smaller wrench underneath to hold the banjo fitting adapter, whatever you would call that, while I loosen the oil pressure sensor. The 17 millimeter. So you're going to want to hold that, and then hold the two wrenches. Oh boy. There we go. There we go. Here's the new one, and by golly, they look exactly alike. Alright, so let's get this new one on there. This trip is really a lesson in perseverance and patience, but especially perseverance. When you think you want to give up, you just have to keep going. Okay, now they say don't turn this too tight or you'll break it off, and I think that's going to be enough for me. Alright, let's check it out and see if it works.
Nothing else?
Yeah, there is something else. Guess what it is? The something else is to hook up our new pressure sensor. That's a pretty big something else. So now our sensor is connected. Wow.
More light.
Okay, so, well, that explains how we made it 1,400 kilometers. We did have oil pressure. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Take care. I just had to see that again.